little birdie. Mitsy, the naughty cat, has brought in this little birdie here. I'm just making sure she's okay before I let her back out again, because I don't know if Mitsy's hurt her. She looks alright. She's had a bit of a rest in a box. She managed to get through this. How small are these bars? And she managed to get through them somehow. So now I want her to eat a bit of bread and water, which I've put there for her. But she won't entertain it. And now she's behind there somewhere. I can't seem to get her to eat or drink anything, and I'm worried she's going to exhaust herself, so I think I might have to put her outside now. Hopefully she'll be able to find herself a little drink. Oh, come on. Come on. Let's get you outside. Whoops. Come on. You're silly. You're going to exhaust yourself. Oh, calm down. Look at her little beak. Maybe I should try and give her some. Just a sec. I'll put the phone down a minute. Right, wasn't much success in getting her to eat or drink, but I'm going to let her go. I hope the cat... Ah! She's got off me. Ah! Oops. She's in here now. Where is she? Oh no. Oh. Right, I've got her again. Here she is. Can you see her? Where is she? Just focus. It won't focus very well, but I'm going to let her go. I hope the cat's not anywhere about. Here we go. I don't know where to let her go. Let's go down the bottom of the garden. I hope the cat doesn't eat her. So I don't know where she is. Don't know where she lives. Oh no, the cat's here. Oh no, I can't let her go here then, can I? Oh no. Why should I let her go then? What if she comes back? I don't know what to do now. She won't fly away now, look. Sorry about the noise, that's my next door neighbour with his electric sander. Look, she doesn't know what to do, bless her. Are you going to fly away? It's blurred. Oh, who's that tweeting? Is that your mummy? Go on. Oh, she's gone, she's gone, she's gone. She's gone. Oh, she's got in the bush. Please let you go back to your mummy. Oh. I'm going to take... Oh, I don't know whether to take the cat in, you know. You are a murderer, aren't you? Yes, you are. You are a murderer. Please don't bring that little bird back, will you? Mitsy. Don't bring her back. Let her go. Mitsy. Here. Any sign of her? Please excuse the messy bit of our garden. Can't see her anywhere. Can't hear her. Can't actually hear anything in a minute. Oh, hopefully she's in there and she's gone back to her mum. Please, God. I'll take a chance, leave the cat. Hopefully she'll stay there. You just lie back down, relax. That's it. You stay there.